Hi, this is Dr. Ryan D'Souza of Sedzai Hospital, Mumbai. We are primarily into anterior segment surgery, and we do a lot of vision correcting surgery. As part of our practice, we see a number of patients who come in and expect vision correction, and we see a lot of people who are underdiagnosed with amblyopia. And up until now in our practice, we would offer conventional modalities of treatment like occlusion therapy and penalization for the treatment of amblyopia. The biggest challenges of this modality of treatment is that they worked very well up to a certain age, and in adult amblyopes, we would normally counsel them that there was not much that could be done. Even in children, one of the major limitations that we observed in our practice was issues with compliance, and overall the satisfaction rates were not optimal. When we first heard of Binox, we were honestly skeptical. Binox seemed to promise the impossible, and we did not know how far this promise would hold water. We, however, began to do a few patients using Binox for amblyopia. In fact, the first patient we selected was hugely challenging. This was an adult 50-year-old lady who was amblyopic since childhood and had a best corrected vision of 6/45, and she was adjusted to the fact that she would live her life with less than optimal vision. When we discussed the possibility of improving her vision, we met with the same kind of skepticism that we shared when we first heard of this therapy. She underwent about 20 sittings of therapy with Binox, and what happened simply blew our mind away. Her vision at her last sitting had improved to 6/9. Her testimonial was simply unbelievable. We were then motivated to look deeper, and we were honestly more than impressed with what we found. Binox for amblyopia has been giving us some amazing results, some very, very encouraging results in the past several months that we have been offering this to our patients. And like I said, since this is a practice that deals with a lot of vision correcting surgeries, we are now able to offer a higher level of customization of vision and better outcomes to most of our patients. We have expanded the indications for use of Binox for amblyopia to unhappy patients with multifocal lens implants and after refractive surgeries as well. And we are finding the results to be very, very, very encouraging. We look forward to studying and working with a larger database of patients as we continue to use this very exciting therapy in the future, and look forward to working closely with Binox for better patient outcomes and better patient results. I am honestly, truly happy to say that we are very happy to have integrated Binox for amblyopia into our practice, and to be able to offer this as one more option to our patients in their quest for fantastic visual outcomes.